Good morning, it's time for Just in Case again, and just in case you don't know it yet, the round of 16 is complete. So let's quickly look at all the results just to make sure that you are up to speed with everything. Canada lost to Morocco. Morocco beat Canada 3-0. France beat Paraguay 1-0. Norway beat Brazil. Yes, the mighty Brazil is out of the World Cup. They are going home. Norway beat them 2-1. And then England beat Mexico 3-2. And then, of course, the inevitable Spain versus Portugal. They had to play, and Spain won that match. They beat Portugal 1-0. Belgium were totally over the USA, so they beat them 4-1. Argentina beat Egypt in a very tight match. It was 3-2. And then Switzerland and Colombia, they draw, and then in the penalty shootout, Switzerland beat Colombia 4 penalties to 3. So the quarterfinals will start on the 9th of July, and the first one will be between France and Morocco. Please stay tuned for all the news. This is getting to the end of the tournament, one of the biggest tournaments in the world. And let's stay tuned to see who's going to take that cup. My money was on Portugal. I have to say that now, but maybe my view should move maybe to France. I don't know. But let's see who's going to win. Have a nice day.